Hello everyone, so I've been using this light for a year now, and as you can see, it doesn't go all the way across my 20-gallon tank. So today I'm gonna be unboxing and upgrading it with the Hygger LED aquarium light. This light was sent to me for review, but as always, all opinions are my own. This light is the 30 watts and it's compatible with 30 to 36 inches tank, so it should be perfect for my 20-gallon tank. So let's start with what comes in the box. This is the instruction manual. It's a bit small in print, but it explains the different modes and timer functions. Next, here's your power adapter. Here's the main light. It's built with aluminum alloy for durability and heat dissipation. Inside are full spectrum LEDs, 6500K wide, 665 nanometer red, and 460 nanometer blue. It's designed to support plant growth and enhance fish colors. Next is your light controller. There's 4 buttons in the light controller. First one is the moonlight timer, 1 dimmer, 1 power and mode button, and 1 daylight timer. For the moonlight timer, you have 4 timer options. You have 4, 6, 8, and 12 hours. For daylight timer, which simulates sunrise, full spectrum, and sunset, you have 6 timer options. You have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12 hours. So now let's go ahead and install the light. My old light wasn't long enough to properly fit across my 20-gallon tank, so you can see it left dark spots and the plants weren't getting even coverage. That's been a big issue for growth and for keeping the tank looking balanced. The light bar is about 28 inches when I measured it, and if you have a longer tank, you can use the extendable bracket on both sides to extend it. But for this tank, I don't need to extend it because it fits perfectly across the tank. This light bar has 10 color options, and let me show you each mode in action. Notice how smooth the transitions are. There's no sudden flashes to spook the fish, and there's no flickering when switching to each mode. All plants are now being lit evenly and the fish look vibrant. Now for the light scheduling instructions, I was a bit lost reading the instructions, but I finally figured out how to set it. So far, the light has been working great. The light scheduling works so far. I just set it and forget it. It even restores your last schedule when a power outage occurs. Now let's talk about the couple of downsides I noticed. First, the instructions that I just mentioned could definitely be clearer. It took me a little trial and error to figure out the settings, but what I learned is that whenever you set the daylight or moonlight timer, you need to do it at the exact time you want the cycle to start. That's how it worked for me, and once I figured it out, it made sense. Second, the housing does warm up after extended use, but it never gets dangerously hot. Just something to be aware of. So far, the fit and coverage on my 20-gallon tank have been great, and the features like the timers and smooth transitions are working as expected. I don't yet have long-term results to share about how the plants and fish are thriving under this light, but I'll be making a follow-up video after a month of use to show the actual outcomes. For now, I can say this feels like a solid upgrade for my setup, and I'm excited to see how it performs over time. If you want to check this out, link is in the description. Thanks again to Hygger for sending this over. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.